everyone, I'm Aiza Butar, PcTech-2. Today, I will do the running diagnostic utility software on a laptop, and we have 5 tasks to perform, which are the defrag the laptop hard drive, back up the system using backup and restore tool of Windows, scan your system against any threat using Windows Defender, delete temporary file using this cleanup tool, and the last is to monitor the computer hardware status using the resource monitor. So, first thing we do is to defrag the laptop hard drive. First, click the start menu and then search and then type the defrag, DEFRG, and then if you finish typing the defrag, there will be a defragment and optimized drives popped out. So choose this one and then click and wait until it opens. Here you can see above optimized drives, and you can use analyze or optimize manually to start defragmentation. If you did optimize, it will analyze and optimize and defrag at the same time. So I'll click the optimize, and then as you can see here, it is running. Okay, at the bottom you can see here on drives are being analyzed on a schedule, cadence, and optimized as needed. It is starting analyzing. Defrags means it reduces the amount of fragmented file on a hard drive. It is also reorganizes related data file and puts them in the same physical location. We should defrag hard drive regularly, because if you don't, your computer may run slowly or may take a long time to start off after you turn it on. If a hard is too fragmented, your computer may freeze up or not start at all. So now it is now started relocated, and we will wait it until finish. When we finish it, so it's done, so it will be okay now. So second is back up the system using backup and restore tool of Windows. First, we click the start menu icon, then search, then type backup. So above you can see backup setting, then choose it and then click and wait until it opens. Okay, so go to more options, click this one, and then see advanced settings. Choose at the bottom system image backup, choose, click this one, then click the create a system image. The purpose of the backup is to create a copy of data that can be recovered in the event of a primary data failure. So this tools allows you to back up your operating systems, its settings, and your data. It is a safeguard against failed hard drive. So there are some questions here. Where do you want to save the backup? So on a hard disk, on one or more DVDs, or on a network location. In my case, in my laptop, I don't have the hard disk on the DVDs, so I choose on a network location. So I will go to select this one and then type the network location, the username, and then its password. So if you're done typing all these boxes, you can go to select and click the OK, and after that it will pops out, then it will okay now your backup the system using the backup and restore tool of the Windows. Oh, we're done in task 2, so we'll go now in task 3, which is the scan your system against any threat using Windows Defender. First, click the start menu again, Then search and then type the Windows Defender. Windows. So, okay. Click this Windows Security. Then click this Virus and Threat Protection. So here in my laptop, there is no actions needed. So it is okay now. Current threat, no actions needed. Protection settings, no actions needed. Protection updates, no actions needed. So, but if there is an actions needed, there is at the bottom you can see here that scan now. So you just click it, and then the scan is. We will use Windows Defender to scan for malware that might be installed on your computer and to automatically remove anything that is detected during a scan. It helps to prevent malware from infecting your computer and prevent virus and spyware problems. We're done in task 3. And then we will go now to task 4, which is the delete temporary files using this clean up tool. So first, click the start menu again, then type this cleanup. So here you can see this cleanup above, then choose and click this one and wait until it's open. Okay, now it will start calculating how much space you will be able to free on. Okay. This streak on the bus, it means that it is the old files that should be to clean up or delete something. Then click the cleanup system files, and now start again calculating and wait until it's done. This cleanup is a maintenance utility, and this utility scans your laptop hard drive for files that you will click the OK. Then delete files. This cleanup is a maintenance utility, and this utility scans your laptop hard drive for files that you no longer need, such as temporary files, cached web pages, and rejected items that end up in your system recycle bin. So it also allows you to empty the recycle bin by deleting temporary files and delete thumbnails. So we should use this because it will free up this space on a computer's hard drive. We will done in task 4, so we will go now to the last task, which is the monitor the computer hardware status using resource monitor. So click the start menu, then search and type the resource monitor. Resource monitor. Here, just click this one, resource monitor, open. Wait until it open. So here you can see the resource monitor, the CPU, the desk, the network, and the memory, and that's all. So here you can see the CPU is still running, the status, and here the percent of the maximum frequency, and the CPU usage is still counting or running. So if you want to stop in the monitors, you just click the monitor, then go to stop monitoring. If you want to start monitoring, just click this one, start monitoring. So, and then in auto fit columns in window, just click this one to auto fit columns in window. Here you can see the CPU. So it is the still calculating the memory. Here the working, the comment, shareable, private. So my memory in use, still counting the MB, the task, and here the network. So just go to monitor, then auto fit columns in window, and then the resource monitor, it displays information about the use of the hardware and the software resources in real time. For example, the hardware is the CPU, memory, disk, and the network. Where in the software are the file handles and the modules. So it is important to some running the diagnostic utility software so that our laptop, computer will prolong their life. So we will done, and that's all guys, and thank you. Bye bye.